Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I show you how to print and assemble my box for darts V4. Let's get started. At first, make sure you have all the components and the necessary materials. 3 cylindrical magnets with 10mm diameter and 2mm height. 4 cylindrical magnets with 4mm diameter and 2mm height. And 2 and 3 with 30mm length with corresponding nuts. If you haven't printed anything yet and you are considering to print my box for darts V4, let's talk about the print file. The printing file is perfectly calibrated. The speed is constant to 200mm per second to avoid the glossiness of the pieces, the different glossiness of the pieces. But there is a problem. If you want to go 200mm per second on outer wall, you must have a volumetric flow like 20mm cube per second. But to have this volumetric flow rate, you must calibrate the max volumetric flow with Orca Slicer. Because if you use generic PLA, generic PETG or generic ABS, the max volumetric flow is set at 12mm cube per second. You must change this value not only in Orca Slicer, but if you want, you can change this factor on Bamboo Studio. And now finally we have the box for darts V4. Crazy, crazy, really crazy. The clip, very strong, for very strong closure. Yes, the magnets, I mean, it's not too strong, but if I put, wait, oh fuck. If I put the darts in the box, they're not goes down. The darts not goes down for the magnets. Yes, really cool. We have magnets here for the closure, for put our things like flights and other. Very cool, very cool. Yes, very, very cool. Very cool. And that's it. This is box. You can shake. I think the darts goes in right way. Yes! Really cool, no? Really cool. That's it. Thank you for watching. If you like the box for darts V4, if you like the video, if you like everything, leave me a like here below and a comment if you don't like or you think another upgrade for the next version. Thank you so much for the watching. Bye bye.